The Doña Ana County Clerk's Office offers a free and easy-to-use online official record search. Our online record system provides access to documents recorded through the Clerk's Office and is available anytime and anywhere. Open your web browser and visit doñaana.gov. Once the county homepage loads, in the upper portion of the screen, select Departments. Under Elected Officials, select Clerk's Office. You will be directed to the County Clerk's portion of the web page. On the left side of the page, locate Related Pages and select Documents Online. Next, select the button labeled Online Records and Fraud Protection. Before continuing, you will be presented with a disclaimer. Please take a moment to read and review the disclaimer carefully. Once you have finished, select the Click Here to Continue button at the bottom of the page. A new tab will open and take you to the official record search website. To access records, you will need to register an account. Select Register in the upper right corner of the screen. Enter your first and last name, an email address, and create a secure password. After entering the required information, select Create Account. You will then receive a verification email from Vanguard Support. Open the email and select the Activate Your Registration button. Once your account has been activated, return to the official record search website. Before reviewing records, it is required to activate your subscription. Click on your account name in the upper right corner, and on the list of account settings on the left portion of the screen, select Subscriptions. To activate your subscription, you must add a credit or debit card to your account. The subscription itself is free, and your card will not be charged simply for having access to records. Charges only apply if you choose to purchase certified copies of documents. After adding your payment information, return to the subscription page and select Activate Subscription. Select the standard subscription option. Your account is now ready to use. You can search for records by grantor or grantee name, subdivision, document type, or document number. Using the drop-down menu on the left, you could search for several categories of records, including real property records, such as deeds, liens, and other recorded documents. Public records, including business registration, licenses, and county commission meeting minutes. You may also search for marriage licenses and probate records, but please note that marriage licenses and probate records display index information only. To request copies of these records, contact the Clerk's Office at daclerk@doñaana.gov or visit us in person, Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. in the Doña Ana County Government Center. You can also use the date range filters on the right side of the screen to narrow your search results. For additional search options, select Advanced Search. Advanced Search allows you to locate records using specific index information associated with the document. If you need to locate a reception number for a property transfer document, you can use EagleWeb, a service provided by the Doña Ana County Assessor's Office. We will search using the address of the Doña Ana County Government Center. Begin by entering a property address, owner name, business name, or account number. After locating the correct property, click the account number to view detailed property information. Locate the transfer document you need and note the associated reception number. Once you have the reception number, return to the official record search website and enter that number into the search field. The corresponding transfer document should appear in your search results. From there, you can view document details and, if needed, purchase a certified copy or download a copy free of charge. Keep in mind that EagleWeb only provides access to transfer-related information. All other recorded documents should be searched directly through the official record search system. For additional assistance on using our online record search, give our office a call, 575-647-7421, or visit our office, located inside the Doña Ana County Government Center at 845 North Motel Boulevard in Las Cruces, New Mexico.